Well, I'm here in Seoul. We are on a brand new series, Going for a Run. A city in the north and a volcano in the south. We're taking on 4 great walks in South Korea, and this is Drone and Phone. Well, I came to Seoul a couple of days ago for a conference, but I'm staying on to make a new series for Drone and Phone with a journalist from the Korea Herald. 5 great hikes in South Korea. This morning I'm going to be going on a run around the city, but before I do that, I want to show you some footage from Jeju Island, the volcano Hallasan, the tallest peak in South Korea. I did that just a few months ago. Hallasan is the highest peak and located on the southern island of Jeju, which is about 500 kilometers away from Seoul. I'd taken the Doneko Trail, starting at 500 meters and slowly climbing to the peak at 1,950 meters, over 7 kilometers. It's a tough 3 to 4 hour walk with fantastic views from the summit. To break up the day, I descended on the slightly longer and gentler Seoul Trail, which brings you back down over 10 kilometers. The Hallasan National Park has plenty more trails around the edges to discover, so if you make the trip to Jeju, it's probably worth planning a few days for the hikes. And with 70% of the country covered by mountains, there are plenty of trails to discover. For this trip in South Korea, we're doing a series of 4 great hikes, but first, my morning run. Well, that really was quite a spectacular hike. I'm in Seoul now, I'm going on a run. It's early morning. I've heard that the running in the city here can be really good. There's some great trails, a lot of hills as well. I've just done my second hill of the day. Anyway, I'm going down to the river, see if I can find a nice cycle track to run along. Seoul is a great city for hiking. I would suggest saving a day or 2 for getting out and about on foot. For me, this is one of the great ways to explore cities, particularly early morning or on a Sunday, as I'm doing now, getting up and having a run around. You really get to see a lot of it very quickly without the hassle of the traffic. My run took me through Namsan Park and down to the Han River. There's a cycle track on both sides. I headed along the northern edge to the Seoul forest before crossing to the other side to head back. From there I went north and up into the hills that surround the old city. There's a network of long trails that are well maintained and offer superb views over this mega city. So you can see behind me I have a good sweep of Seoul from this side all the way around. And what I'm going to try and do is get up the north side. There's a trail that's coming out this way. It's going to take me up over there and then over to this one here. I don't know if you can see that here. And across the ridge and down. A lot of people and very hot. Let's go. Returning through the old city, I stopped off at palaces, monuments, and ran through a workers' demonstration as the city started to come to life in the middle of the day. Well, I'm coming to the end of my run and my discovery of this wonderful city behind me. Been really fun. If you come to Seoul, make sure you try and get down to the river path. That is really long and a great way to get out, but at the same time see a lot of the city. Also in the parks, as you can see here, lots of really nice trails and tracks that you can discover as well. Now, if you like this show, please like and subscribe to our Facebook page. You can see I'm out of breath here, or you'll find our previous episodes on our YouTube channel and on our website. My name's DJ Clark. This is Drone and Phone, and I have got 2K to get back to the hotel.